Okay, I have my Acme tap somewhere. Just got it in, got it on eBay. An individual seller in the U.S. in Ohio. So I bought it locally, I guess. And where is it? Anyway, I got my nut mounted up in the Pratt and Whitney with a 4-inch 4-jaw chuck in the 3-jaw chuck, and I got this running within a couple thousandths. So I'm going to install the tailstock and get that tap lined up. There it is. It's just a single tier tap. It's in very good condition. I used it and chased the threads in this one. This is my original. Now this is a thread that I cut, and so why not make a lead screw myself? Now, number one, I don't think, despite the fact that this will turn on there, I don't think I have the right cutter. And maybe it would, even if it was okay, even if it was okay, I don't believe I could turn something this long without, say, a follow rest. So, I don't know. I found a 90-degree elbow and 1/8 inch copper. I can put here. Actually, I think I'll use that straight piece also. What the heck? All I need to do is take this one off. Now that's what I call a street elbow. I could be wrong, but that's what it's always been known of as to me. Wow, did that make any sense? So, yeah, I turned a piece material to fit inside my 1/2 inch hole here, and got it indicated in on this surface here. So get my tailstock set up, mount the drill chuck mounted, and the tap installed, and get that thing started square, and go ahead and tap this thing. And we're going to shorten this also. And when I go to shorten it, that's a shame. I need to shorten it from this side. I can't just take this over and shave this off. I have to turn it around, because this end is the side that needs to be taken away from. And how much are we going to take off of that? I'm going to look at this and just do a guesstimate here. 150, 175 thousandths to make it match this length. Okay. Now I have a question. Okay, this is my lead screw, it's keyed into this right here, which is then keyed to this gear here. Now, this should turn freely. I got it started. I could start turning it, but it should spin freely. It's very tough getting this back in there. Having to use a drift. Now, I don't know what I did in the disassembly to change any of the dimensions here. I've went inside this brass and honed it a little bit. I polished the outside of this. Let me pop it out of there. I'll show you what I did. Okay, here we go. Now, see, this thing it's tough to turn there, and it turns. And this should turn much smoother than this, and it should turn this smooth when it's fully engaged as well. So, let me see if I can get it out. And like I said, it did before, and you know, these gears are driving the lead screw, and they don't need that kind of stress. Okay. So what I propose doing is getting a hone, like a type of hone that you would use for like a master cylinder or a brake caliper on an automobile. I did run some, where's my piece at? I did run some paper through there. Basically, I slotted a piece of round and stuck some sandpaper in it and spun it on my drill. There, did one of these slots. Kind of polished it up, but you know, I just don't understand why that tightened up so much. I really can't see any interference. I know this piece is not interfering. This is hardened. So we get it started just fine. Well, not just fine. It should be sliding in there. It should just, in my opinion, it should go in there easily. A slip fit. I'm hesitant to hone that out, but then again, I don't want to run this lathe with this thing laboring that much. The gears driving this should not have to struggle to turn that lead screw. And you know, maybe once this is all assembled, you know, the lead screw by its position would loosen, you know, might make this all loose again and fit right. But I'm going to go get the, unless I hear from you, I'm going to go get a boring, a reaming tool or a hone. I'm going to get a honing tool and I'm going to hone out that. Hone out this surface in here. So, interested in your thoughts. Your opinion. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate any input on that situation. And like I said, I have no idea, you know, I don't believe I did anything to have caused that to shrink or, in this case, grow. So, probably a simple answer for it, but you'll have to explain it to me. Thanks again, guys. Like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. And I'm not sure if I mentioned Shadow Spirit. No, EC Workshop. So, Shadow Spirit for sure. EC Workshop. And then the rest of them. New subscribers. I thank you guys.